Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Seat Work Explanation. Today is lesson number 145. Boys and girls, let's take a look at our handwriting page for today. Our page number is 149. We are reviewing our capital and lowercase letters for J, K, and L. You're going to write squa and squeak and sh and ship. Let's take a look at section 2. Write the words under the correct sound. The words in the word box are shape, path, width, fresh. Here, the special sound is sh in ship. And then you have th and thick. You'll write the words to find out you'll write the word on each line to find out which word goes under its leader. For example, let's take a look at shape. Shape. The shape has a sh in ship or in thick. Shape goes under this leader. So you write the word shape here. And boys and girls, please remember to write your name on your paper. And we're making sure, please make sure that you are using your neatest handwriting and that you are forming your letters the right way and that your paper is neat. All right, let's take a look at our next paper, which is our math. Our math page is 289. Directions for section 1 says write the sums. You're going to solve the problem. Please make sure you add the ones placed first. Let's take a look at section 2. How many cents? You're going to count the amounts. You're going to make sure that you start from the greatest amount and stop at the least amount. Once you count this row, you write your answer in the answer box right here. Let's take a look at section 3. Write greater than or less than. You're going to be comparing these two numbers. Make sure the open part of the symbol faces the greatest number, the largest number. Let's take a look at section 4. Write the sums in the orange juice. Write the sums in the orange juice. So you're going to add those 3-digit numbers and write the answer in the answer box. All right, let's take a look at the next page. 290. And boys and girls, make sure you have your name on all your papers. All right, boys and girls, this page right here will be a graded assignment. Please make sure you snap a picture of it and post it on your Class Dojo student portfolio. This will be a grade. Once again, this is page 290, lesson 145. Take a look at the directions. Mark the circle under the answer of the question your teacher says. If the answer is not here, mark NH, which stands for not here. Take a look at section A. Look at row A. Mark under the number that tells how many marbles are pictured. If you cannot find the answer, mark under the space an H for not here. Look at row B. Mark under the number that is pictured on the card. If you cannot find your answer, mark under the space and H, not here. Look at row C. Mark under the combination that goes with the picture. Look at row D. Mark the number that is 10 more than the number on the race car. If you cannot find your answer, mark the space and H for not here. Look at row E. Mark under the symbol that makes the fact true. If you cannot find your answer, mark under the space and H for not here. Look at row F. Mark under the sum. If you cannot find the answer, mark under the space and H for not here. Look at row G. Mark under the space that says 205. If you cannot find the answer, mark under the space and H for not here. Alright, boys and girls, once again, this page will be a graded assignment. Please make sure after you have completed this page, snap a picture of it and send it on your student portfolio on Class Dojo. Let's take a look at our letters and sound. Page 145. All right, boys and girls, as always, please make sure you have your name on your paper. Now let's take a look at section 1. The direction for section 1 says circle, shun, and nation, and shun, and missionary. So you will circle the special sounds in your words. And make sure you circle any other special sounds you see as well. Let's take a look at section 2. The direction for section 2 says add a suffix to each root word to make a new word. The root word will not change. So here in the word bank, you have all the different suffixes we have learned. We learned the S, in bigger, E in rainy, ing in pointing, ed in wanted, t in look, and d in played, as in peaches, lee in slowly, n in sharpen. You're going to use you're going to add these suffixes to these root words. Let's take a look at the first one. The root word is shout. What suffix goes with the root word shout? The root word ing and pointing can go with the root word shout. And your new word will be shouting. You'll do the rest like these. Let's take a look at our next page, our language page, page 145. All right, boys and girls, make sure you have your name on your paper. All right, section 1 says change the Y to I and add ES. Let's take a look at this box. Our root word was story. The Y was crossed out and changed into an I. Our new word is stories. You will do the same for the rest of the words. Change the Y into an I and add ES. Let's take a look at section 2. Write the names of the people in your family. So you have some spaces so you can write the names of the people in your family. Remember, boys and girls, your name and other people's name in your family is a proper noun. Your name needs to start with a capital letter. So if you write a person's name, please make sure you use a capital letter. Take a look at section 3. Write one sentence about one of the people in your family. So you're going to pick one member of your family and you're going to write a sentence about your family member. All right, boys and girls, that is our phonics. That is our seat work explanation time. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.